Hi, I'm Garrett Whalen, and this is my digital story. This is me, by the way, and I am currently a senior at St. Vincent College, graduating in May of 2019 with a bachelor's degree in history and a secondary social studies education certification, where I will be able to teach classes ranging from geography to economics to world history. During my time at St. Vincent College, I found success in the classroom as well as on the field. I'm graduating with a major GPA of 3.8 and a cumulative GPA of 3.5. I am a 5-time member of the Dean's List as well as a member of the Kappa Delta Pi and Phi Alpha Theta Honor Societies. In addition to this, I spent 2 semesters teaching Friday courses for 10 weeks to various homeschool students from the Westmoreland County area. I also was able to gain many field experiences in the Pittsburgh area as well, in school districts such as Greensburg Central Catholic, Ligonier Valley, and my hometown of Fort Cherry, in social studies classrooms. But my education experience doesn't stop there. I also spent the last 3 summers as a camp supervisor and counselor, where I was designing activities and meaningful experiences every day for the various campers. I also spent 4 years as a coach for students and adults with disabilities through the Adaptive Sports Program, where I taught them how to play sports and make friends. Lastly, I am a current football coach at Fort Cherry High School, where I had the opportunity to coach my younger brother, and it's where I was able to start my career as well, before moving to St. Vincent College and playing for a few seasons there. I coach running backs as well as wide receivers. But really, what is education to me? It's the process of receiving or giving systematic instruction, especially at a school or university. In my view, it is not a job. It's not a few grades in a grade book. And it's not a means for playing sports or taking part in a certain activity. Education is a responsibility that this country, and more specifically this state, has to the people within it. In my view, it doesn't matter where students plan to go. They could plan to go to college, join the military, or even just to join the workforce immediately. All students can change the world in their own ways with the right education. It is my view that every person is a piece of clay that needs to be expertly crafted to change the world, and this next generation can rebuild the world to greatness. I believe that the whole purpose of education is to help students gain the skills necessary to help people and to make the world a better place. Therefore, I am passionate about every single day and try to engage each student or player in an effective way that makes them excited and passionate about people and learning. When my students are in my classroom, it is my goal that they want to grow each day and to progress to their full potential. What do I offer a school district? You may look at me and see just another candidate, but I am more than that. My defining characteristics are that I have an unmatchable devotion to teaching, I have a drive to give students the best chance to succeed, and I have a perseverant mentality, a vast knowledge of history and education, and a no student left behind approach to education.